Warm up.
Hello, in a turn, and this next tune is called Storm and Bloom. next one's called Moroccan.
Hey, you got one shoe up here. The shoeless drummer. I thought it was shoeless Joe Jackson. This is shoeless Martini here. How embarrassing. Oh, man. This man's got our shoes off.
Thank you. There's a pretty electric tune here. Pretty rebellious in its own way. And this one's called Destruction. Somewhere inside here, lies them dried up bones, some scarred tissue. Nobody ever found the remains of that famous Volkswagen.
about it. Serious can't explain. Comes with the earthquake. It's a natural mistake. Make the first step. This history book. Have no more enemies. Everyone can know. Watch the man about to me. Everybody's way. Where does it stop? All voices calling out. Don't let it drop. Listen at the surface. Every promise that we see. In this world with such knowledge. We see so much to be.
Do a little tuning up here. That's Vin's truck.
Vin's truck runs. Yeah, right. Got it.
They got us here. That's amazing. Say the last Thank you. Yeah. 1, 2. Oh, Richie. Is it possible to get just a tiny bit more on the vocals? Just a hair. This one's called.
Just a little folks. You don't have to be much. Just enough so I can get myself.
This one's called Mudslide. Check. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check. 1, 2, 8. Yeah, that's better. Just a little bit would help. I'll hold back on my. I won't. For that tonight. Never know. Thank you. I dedicate this one to my good friend Gerard McAvoy, who just turned 27 today. Oh, last night, his birthday. I don't want to embarrass him, so I'm messing with him. This one's called Mudslide. 2, 3. Come on, let us slip it, man. That's a brand new one. I've been afraid to play it out. I don't know why.